What'd you say?
Said I banged the shiz out of you.
Woo! Look out! See you later. Prime Realty.
Prime!
Hey, buddy.
Hey, bud.
Prime! So you're one of those guys who works hard during the day so he can buy late 90s and early 2000s cars at night?
100%.
Prime!
Nice truck.
Thanks, brother.
Prime! I need to film an intro. Do you want to do the honors? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome to West Fargo, North Dakota, and welcome to another video. What is Jay Storm and McQueen?
Jackson Storm.
Yeah, he's one of the rookies.
Hang on, did you say meet or beat?
I think you heard me.
Count 3 days.
Everybody, this is Simon. I think you remember him.
YouTube?
30th anniversary Trans Am guy. If not, you're not a true subscriber to the channel. What year is that thing? 99. That is his 99 Trans Am. This is his 1999 Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4. No, not a 99. It's got a 99 conversion. What year is this thing?
95.
Nobody likes a long intro. What are we doing today?
We are doing an oil change.
Simon was out in his 3000 GT. Actually, I was with you.
Yep.
Gave me my first ride. I'll show a clip of that right now. First ride ever in Simon's 3000 GT VR4. How's your day?
That was good. How was yours?
Another day. Oh, yeah. I noticed you have your active arrow off right now.
Yeah, it's off.
So many cool noises.
I think it is actually. Like,
Does each turbo, well, I don't even know how it works. Does each turbo get a blow off valve? Or?
That's a great question.
That's a great question, bro.
I should ask the dude that built it.
Comment section will eat us up if this goes on.
Yeah, 100%.
I can't believe how clean it is. We're out in that about a week ago, and when he was on his way home, he got a low oil light.
Oil light came on. Oil pressure dropped to about 17 psi.
Can't have that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
change the oil.
Yeah, we're gonna pop the oil, see what's going on, and then hopefully take it for a rip. What do we know is in this thing? Give me a quick rundown.
So completely rebuilt transmission, completely rebuilt from the bottom up of the motor. There's a guy that I bought this from in New Jersey. Ray Pepina did all the work on it, and I'm sorry if I slaughtered that name, but TD05 turbos, which those come off Evos, so a lot of Mitsubishi parts on this. But yeah.
How much horsepower?
So on low boost, it's about 440 horsepower. High boost, which is about 27 pounds of boost, is right at 660.
And we can't hit high boost today?
High boost is not tuned correctly for the ethanol that we have here. When it was tuned at like 70.
70% ethanol?
Yep, and we're at 90 here.
Gotcha. That North Dakota E, good stuff.
Good corn.
Good corn. You see you're using Valvoline VR1 20W50. I too use Valvoline VR1 20W50. I don't know if I said it before, but the reason we're changing the oil is just to check and see, make sure there's no flakes in it or anything. It's pretty sick on this car. We don't even have to jack it up. Basically just drove it up on some 2x4s, and literally the oil plug is right there and the filter right in front of it, so we can do this all without jack stands. Let's see how smooth you are. You're not smooth.
What do you mean?
When you pull it, you can not get your hands oily.
Oh, gotcha. No, I'm not smooth.
Yes, it is a VR4, you haters. Story on this exhaust. Custom or?
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah. I love where they put the cutout too.
Cutout. It's so similar to the Eclipse underneath. Tranny sits in the exact same spot, transfer case, same oil filter. It's clean. Because this thing gets hot, cooks the oil a little bit. This is the current oil cooler on it. Maybe a little small for the power, not sure. Same thing happens on my 350Z. When I go out there and rip it, I lose oil pressure and get the car cooled down, and then it comes back. So, you know, if you ever wanted to find out whether your VR4 or Trans Am was faster, today would be the day.
I know the answer to that.
Whichever one Jesse's driving. Just kidding. Time for a drive. Oh yeah. Let's ride. Fresh batch of oils in. Think we're good. Test drive number 1. Mirrors out. Sunroof. Pin going back. I'll take a cherry pomegranate. What do you want?
I'll take a freezy.
And a freezy. You got a car right here. All right. I'm giving them all 6.
Yeah.
Here you go. You guys can just keep the change.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yep.
Then use this.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good one, guys. Later. That is a fine cherry pomegranate. Hey, seriously though, you should probably try it. It's pretty good. That's it. Siri pops on. I'm like, hey, seriously, you should try it. You're a slut.
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you.
I guarantee that dude, the dad that came home or whatever that was smiling, he thought this was a Ferrari or something. Or the grandpa that pulled up in the AT4, yeah. No way. No way does he know what this is. We are in the Mitsubishi R34 Supra right now. Like, this is it.
It's a beautiful day in Mexico today.
It is. I haven't been to Mexico in July before. You still got a factory sticker there, but your jams are like brand new red.
Oh yeah.
I can't get over the paint on this thing. You must have spent $10,000 on a fuel management system.
Not a bad way to spend $10,000.
I have to assume this video is going to attract a couple of 3000 GT owners or prospective 3000 GT owners. So I'm going to let Simon kind of give you a tour around the exterior and the interior of the car to give you an idea of what all's in this thing, and then we'll take it for a rip. All right, cut it loose. Tell me everything about the exterior. 1995, right?
Yeah, 1995. Front end is 99 front bumper.
Okay.
And that came just on 99. 98 had a different style bumper.
Right.
They're getting very, very hard to find, so we want to make sure that we keep this bumper nice.
Perfect.
Pristine. Hood, I forget the company that made it, but it is a carbon fiber hood. There is another guy out there that is starting to reproduce this hood. I think he's based out of like Dubai or something like that. But if
So
you
it's
go
really
on,
cheap is what you're saying.
yeah, if you go on Instagram, I think they're like $1,200.
Oh, that's actually not bad.
Yeah, so, and then whatever shipping is, but, and then painting it, obviously, but.
What's the story on the headlights?
So these headlights are actually stock headlights with the Robo mod. They have, I don't know if you've seen the Robo mod before, any 3000 GT guy will probably be able to tell you, but this would be all clear back here and you'd see all the internals, which I don't like. It doesn't look very clean. There is a layer of tint added on the underneath and then a layer of tint over the top.
A little extra sauce.
Yep, and then these are 99 corners.
Okay.
Those are also really hard to come by. I do have 99 headlights, but this hood is the Angry Eye hood and it doesn't fit with the 99 headlights. There's a couple guys that have made it work, but I'm still waiting to find out how exactly they did it. But this hood is great, brings in some extra air. This engine does run a little bit hot, especially if we're driving around town. It's nice to get that extra air in there.
Right on. You got the sunroof.
Yeah, sunroof set, 2 pin.
Don't lose it, boys.
Yeah. Here is 99 sail panels.
Hold on, the fans just kicked on. What's going on?
Well, we just got done driving it. The fan will kind of kick on and off until it gets below like 1 $75.
So you got a smart car here?
Yeah, real smart. Here's some 99 sail panels. These only also came on 1999 models. I'm looking for a VR4 decal for this. If anybody knows, hit me up or hit Jesse up, one of the two.
Wing?
So this is an aftermarket VR4 wing that only came on 1999 3000 GT VR4s. This garnish is also 99. So this car it looks like a 99 with the exception of the headlights, but it is a 1995.
Right on.
But yeah, this garnish, actually found that on eBay.
eBay.
Everything else on the outside's pretty stock.
Stock, brakes, except, or those discs are probably not stock,
The
but
discs are aftermarket. The actual brakes themselves
are stock.
are stock.
Okay. Right on, let's pop on the inside. And start with the Pokemon ball shifter.
Well, so Brian O'Connor in Fast and the Furious had a very similar looking shifter knob, and this is kind of a tribute to him. The only reason I really got into cars like this was because of the Fast and Furious movies. So I did get one that looked very similar to it. Obviously my car is red, and so I just wanted some red to pop in the interior.
Sick.
So that's how we got that.
Sick touch. Air to fuel ratio?
Yep, air to fuel ratio. And we just need to do some tuning to this car, and I am just kind of learning the ropes on the tuning side of things, so I'm getting help along the way.
What do you got in here?
So some aftermarket gauges. This is your oil pressure, this is your engine temp, this is your boost gauge.
Boost. And active arrow still works or not?
When I took off the stock rear wing, it did stop working because there's no wing, and
Right.
the front bumper is no longer 95. But
Okay.
as of like a month ago, it was working. Actually thinking of the exhaust cutout maybe being here. 'Cause
Okay.
It's fun to like open and close that.
Show them the cutout now.
Yeah, so in here, sorry, there's
Bunch
a
of
little messy, but so in here is the electric cutout for the exhaust. Forward is open, back is closed. Here's the E85. You can toggle to 93 if you would like. And then here is your low boost, high boost. So right now we are on low boost, so just over 404 and a quarter horsepower, 440, somewhere in there.
sick.
Yeah.
Everything else is pretty much stock over here, right?
Yep.
Stock 95 steering wheel.
Stock 95 steering
Cruise
wheel.
control still working.
Yes.
Rear wipers. You got your little microphone for when you talk, and I can't hear much in here. GoPro turning off. Stock gauges. Sick. Everything still works, right? Power
Everything.
windows, power locks. Guess what,
Yeah.
guys? These things are not cracked on this car.
Yeah, everything's stock as far as that.
Seats look sick. We got a black headliner, not found in stores.
Yeah.
Is this painted?
Yep.
Looks sick though. All right, let's rip it. I hate when people do this to my stuff, but I gotta come forward just a little bit.
That's totally fine.
Work this man clutch. When that boost hits, she gone. A little rolling touch here. What's red line on this thing anyway? It doesn't show.
70,
So 7, I'll cut it off at 7.
like 71, something like that. I never actually hit it.
I'll
I don't
cut
want
her.
to.
I'll cut her short. Yeah, I'll cut her off 60.
Low boost! Low boost!
She saw that. Oh man, that's awesome.
You guys guys will have to come back for high boost once we get that tuned.
High boost on E85 that is 90% ethanol, so really it's like E90, I suppose.
Yeah.
So boost starts kicking in at about like 35.
Yeah.
It's probably not the best for like performance. Like you'd probably want more of a linear power curve, but I love how this and then my Eclipse, you know, you're kind of dead for a little bit and then it's just like, to the moon!
Yeah, for sure. And I think if you launched it and stayed up around that, like 3,000,
you'd be good.
and then keeping those shifts like at 4,000 on the downstroke, it'd be
Rocket.
Rex.
I haven't even like checked the hand length. But
It's pretty good.
yeah, the steering's like got a little bit of like loose feel to it, but the car is tight. Like the car feels like a race car. There's just a little bit of play in the steering.
Night and day difference from the Trans Am though. The Trans Am like feels gigantic.
Yeah, those roll so much. That's a different animal though.
It is.
That's a watermelon. This is a freaking apple.
Yeah.
Comes a rip. Sick. Thank you. She's an animal.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I think that will do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the little tour of the 1995, 99-ish 3000 GT VR4 of my friend Simon's. If you enjoyed the 3000 GT, Simon does have his own channel. Simon, what's your channel?
Prime Productions.
Prime Productions, if you want to follow the story of this 3000 GT VR4. In any event, I think that will do it for today's video, guys. I appreciate you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.
See ya.
I'll catch you in the next one.
Listen.
Wow.
Yeah, buddy.
Get the signal.
Don't even think about it, Mustang. You gotta bite it like a man.
I tried.
You obviously never wore condoms. Neither did I. I got a hole.
Oh yeah, nice.
Let's see, over the corn. I feel like there's something else I wanted to say about it.